Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is obviously this pop of color. So it's a look that I've been wanting to do for a little while, and then I wasn't sure what color to choose, and I don't know. Anyways, I'm probably gonna do a few more because I do like the look now. So I'm gonna try different colors, but this is the first one that I did, and hopefully you guys like it. If you do, keep watching to see how I created it. Okay guys, we are gonna start this look. We're gonna start with the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty Friendcation palette. We're gonna take the color Churro right here. We're gonna take that color and just pop that in the crease. So I'm really just using this color and blending it out fully. And then we're gonna go right into our pop of color. Actually, no, I lied. We're gonna do a little bit of eyebrow highlight, brow bone. We're gonna do that first. And then we're gonna do pop of color. This look is probably gonna be really fast, but we'll see. I don't think I've ever done an inner corner pop of color before. I've done a lot of, you know, lower lash line and obviously on top. But I don't know that I've done an inner corner. I've done an inner corner highlight with like a glitter. So let's see. Okay. We're good. We have our crease color. We're gonna take this color here called Basic. And I'm gonna use that right underneath my brow. Just as a little brow bone highlight. This is a color from MAC Cosmetics with Patrick Starrr. It is the Hot and Heavy Face Powder. This was in one of his collections. And this is pretty. For my skin tone, it's just the nicest glow without being too intense. Our pop of color is gonna steal the show for this one. So we don't want anything else too intense. I mean, when I turn, it probably looks intense like this, like all this right here. You know what? I'm not mad at it. But we've gone more high beam than that before. We are gonna try Chrome Yellow in the inner corners of my eyeballs. Okay, I'm gonna start with the 233 brush from MAC. I like this brush because it has like the fluffy side for blending, but then it has the synthetic side, which will help the color stay put and be a little more intense. So I'm gonna start light just because we don't know what's gonna happen here. Oh, I ain't mad at it. I want this whole inner corner to be yellow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I'm applying this to the inner corner of my lid, but I'm almost bringing it up a little bit too. Ooh, okay. Okay, I am slightly annoyed with this part of my lid here because there's nothing on it. So I'm gonna take this color here. This is called Necessary. That color is called Necessary, which it is indeed right now. And I'm just gonna pat that on top here, just to give me more of a base. But see, now it's too dark. So I'm gonna add some of the basic color that we used for the brow bone Okay, I'm okay with that. And then I'm gonna take the brush that I used for the crease. I didn't add more product. I'm just kind of cleaning up the blend. I don't want it to be like too many colors going on. Like I literally just want to see the yellow. I feel like this is a vacation look, right? What do you guys think? Leave me a comment and let me know where, if you are so daring enough to do the pop of color look, where would you wear it? Would you wear it to a club? Would you wear it to the mall? Would you wear it? Where would you wear it? Sometimes I feel like when I personally would wear bright colors anywhere. That being said, I get a lot of looks from people that are probably like, where do you think you're going right now? On a Tuesday afternoon at the doctor's office. Just kidding, I wouldn't actually wear it to the doctor's office. Unless I was going somewhere after, then, hey, gotta do what you gotta do. Okay guys, are we adding liner to this? Or are we leaving it alone and just putting lashes on? I feel like we can do a wing, but not bring it all the way in to the inner corner to mess up the yellow. We are gonna use this liner. It is the Nano liner, Ultra Fine Precision Liquid Lip Liner by Absolute, New York. Let's try this out, shall we? Okay, I think I like this. I think I like that it's like small, subtle for me. You know what else I like about this? I know a lot of people don't like when the tip of a felt tip liner dries out, but I like it because it gives me a more gradient like line here instead of it being like packed with product and then you have this thick line that you didn't intend on. I think we're even, but I like to put my lashes on and then determine it because sometimes the lash covers the liner anyways. So a little trick, I guess you could say that I do is that I will do my makeup, do my lashes, do everything, and then if I need to adjust anything, I'll adjust it because otherwise I'm just gonna spend way too long doing my makeup and I ain't got no time for that. So let's do lashes. I am going to curl my lashes, put mascara on, and then put false lashes on, and I will be right back. Okay, lashes done. Let's do lips, and then we're done. We're done this look. All right, this is Limitless Brown from Makeup Forever, Artist Pencil. Lips are lined, and now we are going to take the, from Kylie Cosmetics, this is the Koko collection, and this is Khlo Money. Oh, it's a matte color, but let's see. I just find the matte ones just dry out my lip. Okay, I do like this color, but I think it's gonna be too dry for me. So I'm just gonna add a lipstick on top just to give it some comfort. Okay, we are going to add, it's a Liptensity lipstick from MAC and it's called Dough. Oh yeah. I think I like it. Okay guys, here is the finished pop of color look. Hopefully you guys like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed so that you can get the notifications as to when I post new videos. I am really trying hard to do at least once a week for you guys so that I have a new look every week that you can practice yourself or just look and admire or not admire, whatever you want. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye! I need symmetry in my life. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. I don't know why I'm telling you not to forget things. I am not the boss of you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!